Hi there, this is George Kosh. I'm the CEO of Worldprofit, and today's a great day to show you how to create a squeeze page without any programming, no coding. Probably takes about a minute and a half using Worldprofit's landing page builder. This is just going to blow your mind. So stand by. I'm going to use GPT, which is an AI, to do everything. What I did was I created a prompt. Well, actually, GPT created the prompt for me, which I'm going to give to you. And you can use it with any affiliate program you're in that gives you a page that you want to host on your own site. And believe me, this is just phenomenal. So let's start, though, with what page we want to work from, because we're going to tell GPT to go to a page and scan it for us and get all the goodies off of it. So I picked this one, state-of-the-art mailer. And I thought I would go to the affiliate links area, which all sites do. So I'm trying to make this not about state-of-the-art mailer, but about any site that gives you a page. But you want to put it on your own site to look professional and to have total control over tracking and everything. And Worldprofit has that. So let's look at this. So I'm just going to preview the page, make sure it's good, looks nice, got all kinds of stuff on it. Don't worry about the form or anything because we're going to send people here. So we're going to take this page and we're going to copy it. And then we're going to go down to landing page builder 40. I'm just going to create a landing page, a brand new one. Okay, so we're going to add a new landing page. We're going to say state of the art mailer. We're going to create the page. Oop, already taken. State of the art mailer. Let's try another one. State of the art mailer. New. There we go. So you can see we don't have anything in the editor right now, so we want GPT to do everything for us. So the next step of the game is we grab our prompt, which I've just saved on a notepad here, and I'm not even going to read the prompt. It set the prompt up for me. It said, here is the URL that you want to work from. So let's see what it does. And again, you can use this prompt. I'm going to copy this. You can see here I put georgekosh.com, put your name in there, whatever you want the copyright to be. It's no problem. So here we go. We're going to go to GPT, which you can do here. You can grab this one on the left menu if you want. I just have the app on my computer. So here, I'm going to paste it in. And I'm going to let it go. And we're going to let it create. And remember, this will work with Worldprofit and our content management system perfectly well. Nothing wrong with it. I'm actually having a sip of my coffee now while it works. Remember, no strings attached to this. I haven't done anything. I've just put a prompt in. I've given it two things, my domain name, and I've given it the affiliate URL that I want it to work from, which can be any URL. So let's just watch it. Going along quite nicely. I'm enjoying my coffee. I got to tell you, I really like programming or watching programming while I'm just sitting here. Fantastic. Look at it go. It's just creating everything for me. It's beautiful. Oh, this is the future, folks. Let's talk about what I haven't done. I haven't written any copy. I haven't written any code. I've put two things in and said, go to it using a prompt. And look at it go. It's still doing the footer for me. It's creating all this stuff. I don't even know what else is going on here. This is just, whatever. So there you go. So it's explained it to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click the copy button. Then I come back to my editor here and I'm going to click on source. And I'm just going to paste it in there. There we go. And then we're going to save it. Let's see what it looks like. Wow. Folks, this is absolutely beautiful. It's a simple page, has nothing in it, no strings attached. Do you see how I can click here? It goes to my sign up page. So now I'm signing people up. I could have it say, well, I want this to be, I don't know, a different color. Instead of blue, let's go with orange. Instead of blue, let's go with orange. Let's try that. Let's just see it. Watch. can you make the background orange instead of the blue you have now? And it's going to redo the code for us. And it's going to be whatever you want. This is the future. I'm not doing anything here. I'm not working hard. And this would cost you over $100 to have somebody do this for you on as a professional. The code is clean. It's absolutely beautiful. And you know, another sip of my coffee. I want to show you this one. And then maybe we could do a Worldprofit one. You know, I could feed it some information about Worldprofit and say, here's a landing page I want you to build for me. Here's my URL. And it can go to that page based on our ad examples, which is, again, just absolutely phenomenal. So here we go. We've got this one done. Let's paste this one on top of what we just did. Okay? And let's see about the color change. Tab my way in here, go in, click the source button. I'm just going to copy it all and get rid of it, and then just paste the new one in. Click on my source button, update it, and then we're going to go here and we're going to see what it looks like in orange. And the thing to note about this is flawless code. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. It's modern, so it'll load in any browser. And you know, let's see what it looks like. So if we go into inspect and we say, let's load this into a mobile device, there's my mobile device right there. You can pick any one you want. It could be iPhone, iPad mini. It works. Absolutely perfect. So, you know, I don't know what else to say to somebody who says to me, well, you know, I don't know if I could, you know, do something like this. I can't see why you can't. So you can go into Worldprofit, our member area here under training, grab an ad example. Let's just open this in a new tab and say we just wanted to do something kind of with this. We said, well, we'd kind of like to use this copy. So I say, let's copy it. And we'll go into my little notepad because I want to kind of make a change to this and say, well, here's the information. Here's the information for my program, and at the bottom is the URL I want the button to go to. Okay? And then you put that in. Okay, and then we're going to get rid of this right here. And let's just see what it can do. All right, I've never done this before. This is it. I'm going to copy this. And let's do another page. Okay, so let's go to my GPT, and we're going to go brand new GPT. And I'm going to paste this in. And there. Now, say that you were using this prompt and you really liked orange, or you liked blue and orange. Say that you said, you know, let's mix a little blue, a little orange, a little green, that kind of thing. It's going to come up with that. I would like nicer bullet points. It will do that. I would like more emojis. You could do that. All kinds of things because you have a basic prompt that works with Worldprofit for any site that you're in. I'm excited about this. I want to see what this does. You can also ask it to do some great SEO tags. So here we go. You can notice it's already grabbed the copy I've given it. Okay, because you got to remember the only important thing in this whole design, aside from the ad copy, is the URL that people will go to when they click the button, right? And so we've given it to it. We've said, here's the URL that I want people to go to. So we'll see what this looks like. Fantastic. You know, this is great. I can have my coffee while I'm designing. Imagine what people would say. You could even sell this. So there we go. Copy this one. Just to save some time, I'll go into, this where I was here. I won't make another landing page. I'll just use this one. So we're going to go source. I'm going to paste in the new, and then we're going to see what we get. There you go. No strings attached. You see all of my ad up here, everything like that. You can ask it maybe to do a nice wrapper. Like I said, you can do anything with this. I just think this is incredible. It gives you the ability to create an extremely powerful mobile splash page for any opportunity you're in, and have it come in on landing page builder number 40. As a matter of fact, you use any of the landing page builders. If you have a video in it, like say that I said, listen, I have a YouTube video I want to add onto this page. Can you, add it for me with this thing? And again, folks, I'm just thinking while I'm doing this video, but say that I go to my page. This is wild. Say that I wanted to just have this easy squeeze page builder in there. So what I could do is I can come up here and I could say, okay, so I want to share this. Here's my embed code. So you take this code, copy it, and then we can go into our prompt and say, I would also, watch this, I also want you to add my YouTube video embed code to this page. So again, all I do is I copy this whole thing. I go back into my, okay, and I can say, let's do a new one, no problem. Paste it in and let it go. So again, you're just having fun now. You're basically saying, I just want this, I want that. You're just talking to it like a human. Of course, you have to get your code for your YouTube video, but I could have said to it, listen, this is just my YouTube video, the link to it. I just want you to embed it. And I absolutely guarantee you it would know what to do. So when I'm, like I said, I'm ecstatic about videos like this where I can show people that you don't need to be a programmer, you don't need to be a coder. All you need to do is have the right tools. And when you come to Worldprofit, that's what we have. We have the tools such as our website management system and our landing page builder that allows this to happen. And you're not going to find this anywhere else. I can assure you of that. This is absolutely very unique and easy. Imagine if you had 4 or 5 different affiliate programs. You could be building pages for them. You can build pages for people that you sign up under you and say, listen, I'll build this replica page for you and post it for you on my site, and you can use it to generate visitors and leads and signups to your program, and I'll host it for you on my site. Why not? You're just using the same prompt, and it's just creating you a beautiful page. So let's see what this one looks like. I'm excited. I think this one's going to be really cool. And look at all the code it's writing. Who cares? It doesn't matter. It's just HTML. And then finally, you can do some SEO work with it too, and say, listen, I want to have some, I want this to rank high in the search engines or something. So what? And it'll do it. So here we go. We're going to paste this new code in, and we're going to update it. And then let's go, just hit refresh here. And there we go. Fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. The way it's set it in there, just nicely centered. You could say, I want a wrapper around my video. I want my video to really sizzle. I want a beautiful wrapper around it. Why not? Let's ask it. Let's do a nice wrapper around the video that makes it stand out for our visitors. Can we think of anything else? And for great search engine ranking, please do the meta tag, the SEO needed. Yeah, that way you don't need to know about tags. who cares about tags? It knows all this stuff. You're just talking like you're talking to an expert. Another sip of coffee while that gets done. Look at that, paste ready HTML improved. So you see what we've done? Look at how this has changed. Get 50,000 visitors and affiliate marketing tools, georgekosh.com. Look at the description and the keywords, they're perfect. Guarantee you they're the best. Can't get any better than that. I wish this thing was around years ago. Look at the beautiful video wrapper it's creating for me. And again, you can see what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything that anyone can't do. Anyone can do this. But you got to be a member of Worldprofit to really to be able to do all of this and have it done, you need to be a member of Worldprofit with our incredible, powerful website management and landing page builder. No longer do you need anything fancy. You don't need these blocks and things like that. You don't need any of that. It's all done. That's all old. It's like when people used to add numbers on paper. This is the same thing. You're going to say to yourself, so I used to have to use fancy editors and things like that to do all of this with the blocks and the line indents and all this stuff that you had to learn. You don't have to learn it anymore. All you need is the prompt to get you started, and then you run with it. There's my footer. Stuff that I could never do this. I would never have the patience to be able to sit and do all this. No way. So let's see what this one looks like, and that'll be it. Then I'm going to let you folks take off with it. So here we go. We're going to hit the source code. We're going to copy everything and delete it. It's gone. There's the new stuff. Click on that button there, update, and let's hit refresh and see what we got now. Oh, now this is fantastic. Look how nice that is. Got a beautiful wrapper around here. Again, folks, I don't know what else to say. This is incredible, just incredible. Okay, so if you have any questions, I will put the basic prompt into the description of this video. So all you got to do is scroll down. And if you're watching this on Worldprofit, just click on the watch at YouTube and it will bring up the prompt for you. Okay, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it.